Waterson stainless steel's quiet, close hinges are packed with everything you need. A metric Allen wrench, adjustable Waterson hinges, and we even provide the screws. To install the Waterson hinges, start by removing the existing middle hinge. Replace the middle hinge with the non-mechanism using the provided screws. Then remove the top existing hinge. Adjust the Waterson hinge to the 0 settings, then install hinge in top position. Repeat this process for the bottom hinge. Adjust the top and bottom Waterson hinges starting at the number 3 settings. Test the door closing force to see if the door closes from a 20-degree opening, 60 degrees, then 90 degrees. If you require further adjustments, you can adjust the hinges one at a time, starting at the top, then moving to the bottom. Adjust up one click at a time. Begin to adjust the door speed by slowly tightening bottom hinge set screws alternately, attempting to equally tighten. Quick, easy installations with no measuring, drilling, or unsightly holes to cover. Door closer and hinge in one quality built package. When your guests expect to find relaxation in your guest rooms, a slamming door can create an unpleasant first experience. Traditional spring hinge doors create loud noises, damaging frames, locks, and doors. A slam of a neighbor's door in the middle of the night can interrupt a much-needed sleep when preparing for an important meeting the next day. Waterson stainless steel, quiet, close hinges create a welcoming environment.
Morning, sir. How was your stay?
Wonderful. I'm gonna be in town next week. Can I become a regular?
Equals repeated business.
Today's standard for closing pool gates is a slamming spring hinge with no ability to control speed. Waterson stainless steel quiet close pool hinges are a door closer and a hinge in one category. The Waterson high-quality stainless steel construction is corrosion resistant against direct weather and chlorine, reducing your need to constantly have to replace your pool gate hinges. Waterson is soft closing, long-lasting, the better solution for your pool gate challenges.